The Speaker recognizes Representative Cavanagh.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The Judicial Resources Report takes great lengths to determine the caseload and how many judges are needed in every circuit and district court in this state. And that report is taken up by the Judiciary Committee, of which I'm honored to be the minority vice chair. I have to give recommendation to my chair, Representative Cavanagh, for the work he did. Even though I disagree with the next bill, 5124, and voted against that when it left this chamber, I voted for this bill as it left this chamber. Yet for reasons unknown, maybe political, maybe not, I am asking for an amendment to add back a 36th District Court judge, and that is the amendment before us. The report itself did not recommend any reductions or additions to the 36th District Court, which happens to be the court of the City of Detroit. Currently, the 36th District Court is not only the busiest court in the state, it is one of, if not the busiest court in the nation. The workload per judge.
Colleagues, we have a member wishing to speak us. The Speaker recognizes Representative Cavanagh.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The workload per judge is 106.1%, according to the JRR report. The report highlights the total workload in minutes per judge exceeded every other judge in the state at 2,960,293 minutes per judge spent on casework. According to the report, while there are only 31 judges, the report recommends that there be 32.89 judges to deal with the caseload. So the report actually asks for 2 additional judges. As it left this House, we didn't add any, we didn't delete any. But now, as it comes back from the Senate, there's 1 eliminated. By eliminating a judge out of 36th District, there is not enough thought to be given to the impact that this will have on the citizens of Detroit. How will the court deal with the huge caseloads and ensure that every citizen who is entitled to justice in the court receives that in a timely fashion? Just yesterday, this chamber took up scrap metal legislation, and the mayor of Detroit was here advocating for it. He has said that he will have additional resources to combat scrap theft. And now we're taking away a judge in order for these cases to be adjudicated. Throughout the legislative committee on this bill, the 36th District Court judgeship wasn't mentioned at all. It's only when it came back to this. If eliminating the judgeship was even remotely possible, then why didn't we receive the due discussion that was given the entire JRR package that has already navigated through the legislature? I ask my colleagues in this chamber to support my amendment.
The question is on the adoption of the amendment. The clerk will open the board. The amendment is not adopted.